Ty money.
Ty, a nice guy.
He is amazing.
What, Monica?
Coming up, I'm just chilling with my niggas. No, we tryna get that back, tryna flex on all these haters, but that's never gonna stop.
Ty money.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're back at the park, and this is game 3, man. This man already won 2 games already, and I need to take game 3. So, finna get it going, man. I'm recording on my phone today because my camera broke, but that's gonna be another story time that I'm gonna save for you guys in another video. So, finna play this game real quick. Y'all let me know how my phone did video wise and mic wise. I want to know like if y'all can hear like a lot of wind, but I'm gonna hear it while I'm editing, so it doesn't even matter. Just let me know how y'all like the phone vlogging, or the phone videoing, I should say. Huh? Let him to the ball. See, he asking for the ball, man. This gonna be the cameraman for today. So who you got in this, bro? He already got 2 games over me already.
So, the last game you did with somebody else, you almost won.
Okay.
Because the only thing that you kept trying to do is shoot threes. So if you keep trying to shoot threes and make all of them, you're definitely winning.
So keep shooting the 3 ball. Alright,
And so far, when I shoot him shoot from 3, he's always missing. So I think you have an advantage in winning.
So I got an advantage over him. So keep shooting the 3 like Curry.
Yes.
Alright. Yay. Hey, bro. So what's the verdict for today, man?
Today?
Yeah. You gonna win and come out on top?
You know what? Today, definitely gonna take that dub again. Bro.
You gonna take that dub today?
Yep.
3 straight, bro?
3 straight.
Sheesh. You hear that? 3 in a row. That's what he
He's not
said.
gonna make this one.
But I'm gonna have to come out on top today, man. Because if this man gets another win, it's gonna be 3 for 3. And 1 more, and that's a series. So I'm gonna have to do a LeBron game 6, man. Back in the garden. Let's get it. Alright, so we're gonna shoot for ball real quick, you know, to see who'll get it. I'm pretty sure he's supposed to get the ball since he won the last time, but we're just gonna shoot for ball.
Yeah, if you guys saw that, he missed. How you missed?
Boy, if you don't.
I don't know, bro. I'm saving all my energy for the game. That's where it all matters, right? The game.
Okay. That's if you missing. So. Okay.
Going to 12, right?
Yeah.
Taxi!
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. It's 1s, 2s, going to 12.
Okay, they're going to 12 by the way. It's 1s and 2s. So if you keep this 3-pointer up, you might win.
Overlord Mafia.
That's 2.
This man said he was off, man.
Well, that's 2. Let it go out. It's 3-0 right now. That was out.
Ty money.
This man told me he was off, but he's off to a hot start. I don't get it.
Don't let him make it. Hell no. Oh, okay. It's 5-0 right now. It looks like he's winning by 5. They should make that. No. Got 4 minutes already.
Ooh, taxi!
Say, my fan. You got this. He's missing. Oh, and by the way, grass is out. Go street ball. Oh, he missed.
Time money.
It's 5-1 right now. 5-1. Score.
Yeah, man. Off to a bad start so far, you know. I do not expect to be missing like that. Like, I thought I would have been up 7 already. Should have been 7 already after all the threes I missed, but it's 1-5. And I'm just getting started. I can't let this little buddy down, man. He got me picking this battle, so I got to come out strong. You know?
So let's make this.
Time money.
It's 2-5.
Time money.
4-5. So he's making up those 2 points. He's making the 3 points now.
Time money.
What score? 5-5.
Time money.
Made it. It's 7-5. Score is 7-5 so far. That's 9. Got your cameraman doing math for you guys. Okay, what scores? I think that's 11. If you make this 1 point, you win. Nice. That's 11.
Time money.
What scores? What scores? Scores? 11 already?
11-8, man. Can't let him win another one. Because if he wins another one, that's going to be 3. And all it needs is one more for the series to be over. So let's get it going. Let's see what I can do.
Try money. Try money.
You gotta be catching it, bro. 11-12, man. He didn't even get the last shot, bro. What you doing?
We got flash
I told you to
balls.
record for me. Look, you still not even recording.
These flash balls with me.
I told this man to record for me. And he all over here, recording over there, recording over here. What you looking at, bro? I don't know if he thinks we're done, but we still got one more point. Yeah. Like game 6 in the Garden, man. Braun going off in game 6 in the Garden. Yeah, bro, you good? That's basically what this is. But we're gonna keep it going, man. I'm gonna see if he's done. I'm gonna have to see what's up. Oh, we still got one more point. One more point? Yeah. Yeah, we gotta win by 2. It's 12-11 right now.
12-11?
Yeah.
So how much I got?
You got 11, I got 12. Cause I hit that last 2. And I had 9, so 9, 10, 11. Wait. Yeah, I had 10. Yeah, I had 10.
Yeah, you got 10.
Yeah, it was.
Saying.
Huh?
So,
And then I hit the last 2. So that's 12.
12.
Yeah. So 11, 12.
11, 12?
Win by 2, yeah.
No, I got 11. And you hit the 2. That's 11, 12.
11, 12, yeah.
Yeah, you up by 1.
Nah, but we gotta win by 2 though.
Oh, we
That's
gotta
what
win
I'm
by
saying.
2.
Yeah,
We
the
got
game's still going.
one more.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, y'all. So halftime is over. Back again. I just need one more point, man. And so I can add a winning.
But
to
you
the
have
winning.
what is this score?
12-11. Gotta win by 2.
So the one in the striped shirts won. I don't know how you lost.
How do you feel you played?
Like shit.
He won, man. So y'all saw the shot, man. Big man made it outside. That's crazy.
One more.
That was a good shot.
Okay, one more until the season's over, and if he wins this last one, you're just done for.
What are you, a narrator, bro?
Maybe.
What you talking in my vlog for? Yeah, man, but he's right. Just one more win for him, and that's series, bro. But I got to keep my head up high, man. You know, the moment you think you lost is the moment you're really gonna lose. So I got to keep that winning mentality. That's crazy, man. I wasn't expecting him to win, to shoot that, bro. Like, oh, well, not shoot it. I expect him to shoot it, but I didn't expect him to make it, bro.
Boy?
Like, if you go back and look, I was right there next to him. You know, it was a good defense, but a better offense. I mean, I can't be mad at that, but still, bro, like, I should have won, man. But you know, I can't make no excuse for this game, man, because it's not like I was leading and then he came back. This man came out firing. He got himself a W, man. Came out firing, got himself a W. I was just doing the opposite. I came out missing, bro. Like, why? Why? Anyways, y'all, I'll see you guys in another video, man. So come back next week. I'll see you guys in another one.
What can I say? Mamba out.